hydrolysis of ATP. So we have discussed myosin had act as ATPase, and for this magnesium is required. So ATP है, तो क्या होगा? नाउ एनर्जी इज रिलीज, and this energy is used for cross bridge formation, that is actin, myosin cross bridge formation. Now go look the diagram. Head of myosin, this is a cross bridge formation. And this is head of myosin. This is head of myosin. This is a head of myosin. It is a cross bridge formation, and some part of energy is used for power stroke. Energy used for power stroke. Head of myosin means head of myosin rotate. And now actin will shift from how the diagram will be little bit complicated. Let me draw. Now when it will, because of this Z line also shift. When actin shift, Z line also shift. ये Z line देखो यहाँ से यहाँ shift हो गया है. So Z line also shifted. Next is fifth step. Myosin takes recovery stroke. Now in this case, what happened? Myosin will comes to its original position. Obviously, myosin in recovery stroke, myosin will comes to its original position. Let me write. Myosin will comes to its original position. Now what happened? One more active site free. एक और एक्टिव साइट फ्री हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एक और एक्टिव साइट फ्री होगा. फिर हाइड्रोलिसिस होगा एटीपी का और क्रॉस ब्रिज फॉर्मेशन होगा. अगेन क्रॉस ब्रिज फॉर्मेशन, अगेन पावर स्ट्रोक, एंड व्हेन एक्टिन मूव Z line also comes closer. Z line shifted नहीं, Z line comes closer obviously, and when Z line comes closer, sarcomere become short. Now what I am saying, in fifth step what happened, myosin will comes to its original position. Okay, so what happened, one more active site will get free. Myosin will comes to its original position. So what happened, this one more active site will get free. Again hydrolysis, again cross bridge formation, again power stroke, and actin will move. Z line becomes shorter, and Z line comes closer, and sarcomere become shorter. So this is all about the mechanism of muscles contraction. First is resting stage, outer positive inner negative depolarized, outer negative inner positive. Third step, troponin will binds to calcium और ये active sites of actin will get free. ATP hydrolysis होगा. Okay, in this case a cross bridge formation takes place, and in fifth step myosin takes a recovery stroke. So this is all about the mechanism of muscle contraction.